Hey YouTube, Brandon from RC Flyer, going to take up the Tundra version 3, I believe it is, version 2. Hey YouTube, Brandon from RC Flyer, going to take up the Tundra, one of my favorite planes. Got an onboard camera, and let's do this. Haven't flown in quite some time.
Forward. Timer start. Reverse. Forward. Reverse. Forward. Takeoff flash. Flash up.
And there we go. And we'll just flicker in the air like we don't care. Super fun plane. Take her to the moon, drop her off. Woo! Did that with my commander and you guys know what happened. Totally crashed it. You can just throw this plane around. Look at the lights. Gorgeous lights. Oh yeah. Wind's actually picking up. Snap it. Take her back through.
Take off flaps.
Do a nice low pass
Landing flaps.
with landing flaps.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Flaps are up. Oh yeah. Just like that. Come back around. Do a nice low and slow pass.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
0 throttle. Another nice low pass. Little touch and go. Yep. Snap it. There we go. Full speed snap. That really wasn't a snap, but that's all right. I got the onboard camera. Let's just take her up and see what's going on over here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right. Another nice thing with this plane, I'll show you. We'll come in. We're not going to use any flaps, but we're going to do a landing and use reverse throttle if I can get it to work pretty good. Just like that. So that's pretty cool as well.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right, let's take her up. Have more fun.
Takeoff flaps.
Oh, gotta put her in forward.
Flaps up.
You can see you don't need much runway to take off with this plane. And again, with the reverse thrust, you don't need much
Seconds.
runway to land either.
Reverse.
Whoop. All right. We're gonna just point it right here and show you that we got about 10 feet until the bushes.
Safe mode. AS3 takeoff flaps.
And that's all you need.
Timer is hot flaps up.
That's all you need. All right, we're gonna come in for a landing. We'll do one more slow loop. Wind's coming pretty much like it always does, which I hate because it goes into the woods instead of the opposite. But we're gonna go like this.
Reverse.
Oh, nope, that was a terrible landing.
Forward.
We're gonna do that again.
Throttle on.
Terrible landing.
Throttle off.
This time I'm not gonna use reverse thrust and mess around. I'm gonna use landing flaps though.
Landing flaps. -1 minute.
There we go. And my bumpy runway.
Flaps up.
And then we're just gonna have fun again. Woohoo! Oh, that was a bad landing. Hard as hell. Hard as hell. All right, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna try to have a nice landing. Wind has stopped, so I'm gonna go from towards the woods because I have a better runway this way. And we're gonna come around and do it.
-2 minutes.
Like that.